Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by creating a new software instrument project and choosing a keyboard patch. A bright piano works well for starting. Connect your MIDI keyboard or press Command K to open the on-screen keyboard so you can play now. Once done, set a comfortable tempo and key signature. This locks your musical context. Make sure the metronome is on if you need timing help, and arm the track for recording so GarageBand is ready to capture your first take. You record your part using count-in and the metronome for consistent timing, then press record and play through your ideas. After one or more takes, use quick swipe comping to assemble the best phrases. This saves time versus manual stacking. Once you have a region, open the piano roll to move notes, shorten lengths, and adjust velocity so dynamics feel natural. Make sure to use snap to grid for rhythmic fixes, and listen back after each edit to confirm musicality. You finish by shaping the sound. Add EQ to carve space, gentle compression for consistency, and a touch of reverb to place the keyboard in the mix. Once satisfied, balance level, pan, and master output, then export via share right arrow export song to disk as WAV or MP3. If you get no sound, first check GarageBand's audio/MIDI preferences and your audio output device. Confirm the software instrument is selected.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.